All right, we're going to be going over verbs. Verbs, words that express action or state of being. That being said, verbs are going to be divided into two groups: action verbs and linking verbs. Action verbs are definitely the easier ones. They're words like kick, spit, punch. You get the idea. Linking verbs are a little tricky. There are 8 that you should definitely know: am, is, are, was, were, be, being, and been. Now, there are some other ones. For example, seem is a linking verb, but those other ones can be substituted. So, for example, in this sentence, Daniela seems hungry. Seems can be substituted for one of these other words. Daniela is hungry. So if you can substitute one of these 8 linking verbs for it, it's also going to be a linking verb. Now, verbs are going to be the driving force of the sentence. So, Devin kicked the ball. The thing with this sentence is the action kicked. The kicking that's happening is the important bit. Or Lexi is tired. Here we have a linking verb, is. Now, linking verbs can work in conjunction with action verbs. So if we have Jordan is breathing hard. Is breathing is our full verb. It is a linking verb that is helping out an action verb. So this linking verb becomes a helping verb. Moving right along with adverbs, they're words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. And they're going to answer 4 questions. Well, yeah, most of the time it'll be 3, but we're going to write down 4. They answer when. That is a big one. They answer where. They answer how. And then this 4th one, to what extent. Oftentimes, this to what extent is covered by these previous questions. Now, the most dead giveaway adverbs are going to be your ly words. Suddenly, um, evenly, unfairly. The ly is going to give this away as an adverb. Now, looking at this sentence, the extremely rusty truck has almost always been parked there. We have our noun, truck. That's going to be our subject. And our verb is has been parked. Has is a helping verb. Been is a helping verb. And then parked is an action verb. Now, rusty is an adjective modifying truck, which I should have put in red, but it's blue. Then you have a few adverbs. You have extremely, modifying how rusty it is. How rusty is that truck? Extremely rusty. And then for has been parked, when has it been parked? Always, always been parked. To what extent has it always been parked? Almost. So you have almost modifying always, modifying has been parked. So all 3 of these are adverbs. All right, that concludes the notes portion. Now we're going to check out a few sentences. Now to look at a few sentences. Got an Amazon package. Okay, looking at these sentences, we have our noun, Marie, as our subject. What is Marie doing? Marie eats. It's going to be our action verb. And then eats anything. That's our direct object. More on that later. This action verb. Here, Jackson, Margaret, nouns acting as our subjects. What are they doing? They started dating. Dating would be our action verb. How? Randomly. That would be our adverb. When? Yesterday. That would be another adverb. For this sentence, I eat apple pie daily. However, I found I'm actually super allergic. We have I as a pronoun acting as the subject. Eat would be our action verb. Eat what? Eat apple pie. Be our direct object. Well, apple is technically an adjective. Again, more on the direct object next week. Now, I eat apple pie when I eat it daily. That's going to be our adverb. Now, something you may run into are these words. These are called conjunctive adverbs. Basically, they have some kind of time relationship between two complete thoughts, and they act as a conjunction. So, however would be an adverb. I would be the next subject. Found, be action verb. Found. All of this be a separate. We'll get into all this stuff in the coming weeks. Am is a linking verb, and what am allergic is going to be the adjective that is linking I and am. How allergic? Super allergic. All right, that's all I got for you.